Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok video not eligible problem. If you are using TikTok and you're having the issue that your TikTok video is not legible or your TikTok video is illegible, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So you just have to open your TikTok app here and then tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner and tap on three dots in the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy and then select report a problem option. Select account and profile, and from here select editing profile here, or you just have to go back, select manage account, or select the option of profile page from here, and then select other option. Now you just have to look for the option of get more help. Here you have to describe your issue. You can easily send a message from here, so you have to simply send a message here, or you can also in attach your video or any photo, or you can also attach your post from here. And once you have done, you have to attach your post, relating post, and then you have to write here something according to your issue. You have to apologize for your video, or you have to ask that how why your video is not eligible for TikTok. And once you have done, you have to have a done option and then send your issue to TikTok. TikTok will reply you in some moments, or it might be take an hour, so you must have to wait for that. And after that it will verify your post, and if your post will likable, it will show you on TikTok page, or it will be removed, or you will get response from TikTok support team. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.